Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I think this was the last problem, ninth one, right? Let's start with this. By using the Newton's divided difference formula, find a polynomial f of x which assumes the values 3, 12, 15, minus 21 when x has the values 3, 2, 1, minus 1 respectively. Determine the interpolating polynomial. Was that given? The Newton's divided formula, find a polynomial f of x. Polynomial means y takes values 3, 12, 15, minus 1, minus 21 when x takes values 3, 2, 1, minus 1 respectively. Let's tabulate the values. X, y is equal to f of x and y is equal to f of x. Here x naught is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 1, and x3 is equal to minus 1. Correspondingly, f of x naught is equal to 3, this one. F of x1 is equal to 12, f of x2 is equal to 15, and f of x3 is equal to minus 21. These are the given values. Now we find the first order divided differences. Divided difference of these two is denoted by f of x naught x1, f of x1 x2, f of x2 x3. Divided difference of these two ordinates is 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 divided by x1 minus x naught, that is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 divided by minus 1 is minus 9. 12 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9, divided by 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 9 divided by minus 1 is minus 9. Divided difference of these two is equal to 15 minus 12 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 is 1 minus 2. How much is this? 15 minus 12 is 3. 3 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1. That means minus 3. And divided difference of these two is equal to minus 21 minus 15 divided by x3 minus x2, that is minus 1 minus 1. How much is this?
18.
18. That's right. 18 minus 21 minus 15 is minus 36 divided by minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 36 divided by minus 2 is 18. These are first order divided differences. Next, the second order divided differences. That is denoted by f of x naught, x1, x2, f of x1, x2, x3. Divided difference of these two is minus 3 minus into minus plus 9. Minus 3 minus 9 minus into minus plus 9 divided by x2 minus x naught. x2 minus x naught is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Therefore, this is equal to minus 3 plus 9 is 6 divided by minus 2. 6 by minus 2 is minus 3. Similarly, this value 18 minus into minus plus 3, 18 minus into minus plus 3 divided by x3 minus x1. x3 minus x1 is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. How much is this? 21 divided by minus 3. 18 minus into minus plus 3 is 21 divided by minus 3. What is 21 by minus 3? Minus 7. Minus 7. These are called second order divided differences. Next, we find the third order divided differences. Third order divided differences. It is denoted by f of x naught, x1, x2, x3. Calculate this. Minus 7 minus into minus plus 3. Minus 7 minus into minus plus 3. Divided by x3 minus x naught. x3 minus x naught is minus 1 minus 3. How much is this? Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4 divided by minus 4. This is equal to 1. This is the difference table. Divided difference table. Now write the expression or formula up to third differences. Write it up to third differences. How do you write that? What is the formula? Y is equal to f of x naught. Y is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into f of x naught x1 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into f of x naught x1 x2 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x naught, x1, x2 and x3. Substitute f of x naught. f of x naught is 3 plus x minus x naught. To find interpolating polynomial, x will not be specified. You keep it as it is. X minus x naught and x naught is 3. f of x naught x1 is minus 9 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into f of x naught x1 x2 is minus 3 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2. What is x2? x2 is 1 into f of x naught x1 x2 x3 is 1. Rest you can do. Simplify this. What's the answer?
X cube minus 9x square plus 35x plus 6.
If 5x, check it again. Rest is correct. X cube minus 9x square plus 6 constant is also correct. Check that 35x.
X cube minus 9x square plus 17x plus 6.
That must be correct. X cube minus 9x square plus 17x plus 6. Next. Next one, the important problem is usually other problem repeat ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So you must give high priority to this problem. Using divided difference formula, find f of 8 plus f of 8 and f of 15. This is a very, very important problem in examination point of view. You can expect this in the examination. Maximum number of times repeated in the past examinations. Using divided difference formula, find f of 8, f of 15. It's a simple problem. Let's tabulate the values. X, y are f of x. Here x takes values 4, 5, 7, that means x naught. X naught is equal to 4, x1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to 7, and x3 is equal to 10, x4 is equal to 11, and x5 is equal to 13. x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Correspondingly, f of x0 is equal to 48, f of x1 is equal to 100, f of x2 is equal to 294, f of x3 is equal to 900, f of x4 is equal to 1210, and f of x5 is equal to 2028. First order divided differences. They are denoted by f of x0, x1, f of x1, x2, f of x2, x3, f of x3, x4, f of x4, x5. Calculate this.
52, 97,
52.
202,
Wait, let me write 52,
97,
97, okay.
202,
2,
310,
310,
409.
409. That's right. All of you, please compare the values with which you obtained. Are they correct? Are these values correct? Compare the values with which you obtained. If they are correct, we can calculate second order divided differences. 52, 97, 202, 310, and 409.
Correct, sir.
Second order divided differences, which are denoted by x0, x1, x2, f of x1, x2, x3, f of x2, x3, x4, f of x3, x4, x5.
15,
15,
21,
21,
27,
27,
33.
33. 15, 21, 27, 33. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ? 15, 21, 27, 33.
One, one, one.
First, let them finish the second order divided differences. 15, 21, 27, 33. Nobody responded. I'll wait and short one problem. If you kill time like this, we can reduce the number of problems.
It's correct, sir.
Next, third order divided differences. F of x0, x1, x2, x3, f of x1, x2, x3, x4, and f of x2, x3, x4, x5. Third order divided differences. Calculate.
1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1. Right. Third order divided differences are identical. Therefore, next difference will be obviously 0, 1 minus 1, 0, and 1 minus 1, 0. You need not write that. Stop here and write the formula up to third order divided differences only to find f of 8 and f of 15. First, let's calculate f of 8. Formula will remain same. F of 8 ry is equal to f of 8 ry is equal to f of x0 plus x minus x0 into f of x0 x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x naught, x1, x2 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into f of x naught, x1, x2, x3. First, let's find f of 8. Put x is equal to 8 in this expression, and f of x naught is 48. F of x naught is 48. X minus x naught into x naught is 4, and x is 8. F of x naught, x1 is 52. X minus x naught into x minus x1, x1 is 5. F of x naught, x1, x2 is 15. X minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2, x2 is 7. F of x naught, x1, x2, x3 is 1. Just substitute and calculate.
Four 48.
448, that's right. Correct answer. 448. F of 8 is equal to 448. This is first case, finding f of 8. Next, second case. What is required here in second case? Y is equal to f of 15. Put x is equal to 15 and rest same.
Three one five zero.
3150. That's the correct answer. 3150. $3,150. You please make a note of this. This is the table. Now mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. Next. Last problem in this method. Construct the interpolation polynomial for the data given below using Newton's general interpolation. General interpolation formula means divided difference formula. Construct the interpolation polynomial for the data given below using Newton's general interpolation formula for divided differences. Find the interpolating polynomial. Let's prepare the table. X and y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. Tabulate the values. Here x naught is equal to 2. x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 5, x3 is equal to 6, x4 is equal to 8, and x5 is equal to 10. F of x0 is equal to 10. F of x1 is equal to 96. F of x2 is equal to 196. F of x3 is equal to 350. F of x4 is equal to 868. 868. And f of x5 is equal to 1746. Now first order divided differences. F of x0, x1, f of x1, x2, f of x2, x3, f of x3, x4, f of x4, x5.
Forty-three, 100, 154,
Wait,
259,
wait, 43, next,
100,
100,
154,
154,
259,
259, and last
439.
439. First order divided differences. We compare the values with which we obtained. If they are correct, we can find second order divided differences. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ. F of x0, x1, x2, second order differences. F of x1, x2, x3. F of x2, x3, x4. And f of x3, x4, x5. Second order differences.
19, 27,
Wait. 19, 27,
35,
35,
45.
45. Okay. 19, 27, 35, 42. 45?
45.
45. Okay. It's 45, right? These are second order differences. 19, 27, 35, and 45. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Next, f of x0, x1, x2, x3, third order differences. F of x1, x2, x3, x4. And f of x2, x3, x4, x5.
2, 2, 2.
2, 2, 2. Right. Third order differences are 2, 2, 2. Obviously, fourth difference will be 0. You need not write that. Now write the formula. Keep x as it is. Substitute the rest. Simplify. And tell me what is the polynomial. Tomorrow you have maths internals, right? Tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir.
Prepare well, study
Yes,
well,
sir.
write neatly, and submit your scanned answer scripts to Google Class only. Do not mail me, do not send in WhatsApp. You have to submit scanned answer scripts in the Google Class only. I'll create an assignment in Google Class. You submit there only. Okay? If you have any doubts with respect to that first internal subject, you can message me later. What's the answer for this case? Why? What's the answer?
Two x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 4.
Fine, that's right. 2x cubed minus 3x square plus 5x minus 4. This is correct answer. This is the required polynomial. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
Yes, sir.
Then we can start a new method in the next class. Let's continue the next class with new method. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.